Now, this illustration deals with switching outlets by swimming pools. Now, notice in the NEC loop, if you're switching devices for a pool, say around a pool, 680.22c regulates the rule. If you're switching devices for a spa or a hot tub, then it's 680.43c. A hydro massage tub is 680.72. Now, the NEC loop lists the three areas where electricians work quite often, depending upon if they install at a dwelling unit, say a swimming pool, a spa, hot tub, or hydro massage tub. Now, in this illustration, notice it's a swimming pool, so it's 680.22c. It's in car, and notice it shows the wall switch, meter, or other type of overcurrent devices that would be considered switching in some manner must be at least 5 feet from the pool if there's not some kind of barrier or something separating the pool from the switch. So as you see in the illustration, there's nothing there, so it's a 5-foot requirement, and that's what figure 11-41 is illustrating. Now in the loop, you say, well, how about receptacles? Then we would see figure 10-34. And you'd say, well, how about lighting in and around the pool or over the pool? Then you'd see figure 11-24. So once again, once you learn how to use the Volume 1 and Volume 2 Stallcup's Electrical Design book, that book is good with good information for designers, installers, maintainers, and inspectors. You get it all in the 2 volumes that you can reference. And once again, you can obtain this book for your cell phone, for your computer, your, say, your pad, if you want to have that. You could do it for your iPad. It's just up to you if you want to have all this type of knowledge available to you anytime that you want to review it. So it's just there for your use. If you was to want it, it's up to you. So figure 11-41 is listing switching outlets by swimming pools with an NEC loop for the 3 major areas where these switching devices may be installed.